Hi guys, today I show you how to fix it one problem on the Nissan Titan XD, and I show you, look at this, my fuel tank is full, but if you start engine you can see like empty
Flash Joy. Through
tank.
Hits, you'll get a free.
It means like fuel sensor does not work, and you can see warning. It's like empty fuel tank is empty. Okay, let's fix this problem. I think it's a problem with fuel sensor, and the first what we need to remove this fuel tank, and you can see like couple stripes, metal stripe here and metal stripes here. We need to unscrew it right here and another side here and another side. Okay, let's do that. After when you remove this plastic cover, you can see like this stripe, metal, this one, and another side, this one, and two bolts located here on the front and on the back. And we need to unconnect all filling pipe, this one and this one. After when you unscrew the tank, you need to unconnect this connector from this connection, and after this you need to unscrew it 3 small nuts, like 1, 2 and another side. And after this you can remove this metal cover. And after this you need to connect all fuel lines. Just remove this one on the top, and after this pulling, and that's it. I used the jack. It was much easy to remove this fuel tank, and right now I need to unlock this lock. It means like I need to a little more hit it and twist it. Okay, lock is opened, and right now I can remove this fuel pump and fuel sensor. Okay, after when I remove this fuel sensor, I cleaned this contact, and I use this like vodka, and this is stick, and I clean it. Okay, I show you. And I clean it. This one contacts very gentle. Clean it this contact, clean it this contact, remove this contact and clean it. Use vodka. And right here everything was rusty, and after when I clean it, it's maybe start to work. Okay, right now it's time to put back everything. Okay, I put lock back, and I already lock it. Use this, guys, and use a hammer and hit it like this. And right now it's time to put tank back. Okay, when you lock all green locks, make sure it's not loose and everything connection is good. And after this, time to put back this metal cover. Okay, when you put back this metal cover, it's time to connect it metal stripe on the front side. It's time to put back this metal stripe and put back bolts. Okay, I put back bolt. Right now bolt in the right position on the back side and bolt in the right position on the front side, and it's time to tighten the bolt. And don't forget put back these hoses and these hoses. Okay, it's time to check fuel gauge, and you can see right now is buck is empty and fuel gauge shows 0. Okay, let's put diesel, let's fill diesel and check what's happened. And you can see fuel gauge right now is working, but working not so good. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not. It's much better to replace for the new one. Thank you for watching.